Since 11 has demonstrated to us how a foreign nation or a internal actor can take down your telecommunication systems and use your daily devices, which are connected to the web and have lithium batteries. They can bypass the safeguards of the malware and turn your device into a potential bomb. And they're walking time bombs. We should start asking ourselves whether the devices which we carry around and use daily, which has a lithium battery connected to the internet, is safe. Because in the news they didn't say that. Smartphones exploded. They just say only walkie-talkies and radio pages exploded, and they come up with this theory. Israeli intelligence intercepted a stock of radio pages, and they modified every single one of them to explode. That's impossible. Which is possible? You can hack into the telecommunication system and basically you can turn a telecommunications device with a lithium battery into a bomb. If they can do it, anyone can do it. Any foreign powers. And the fact is, what I find disgusting on the web is there's a bloke which is called Ben Shiro, whatever the bloody name is. He's saying these terrorists deserve what they want. He was laughing his head off. Mind you, most of these people, these phones and radio pages exploded. There were civilians, many thousand civilians, and God knows how many people who were killed due to the exploding communication devices with these lithium batteries inside. He was laughing his head off. It goes to show how these people, he's the gatekeeper of his masters, that's for sure. And they don't have no pity, no mercy for human life. And should we do the same with them as well? Depending on the moment if you catch one of them. Now, while these people are building bunkers and stuff like that, because if you go to Denver Airport, for those people who went or passed through, you've seen those murals, 4 of them, and it's describing the future. They are deliberately saying what their intentions are, what they've got in plan for us. But what we do with our mouths open and gaping and gazing like brainless sheep, it's not due to our fault. Our fault is too much of the mass media we're contaminated by, and that's why in every narrative they push, most people will fall for it. If you disconnect from the so-called that type of telecommunications or media mainstream narrative, and start digging for yourself and go down the rabbit hole, you will realise you'll be shocked. Many things which have happened have been programmed and they've been telling us lies. Not just now, for years and centuries.